Alright, so this video is a little bit longer than what normally it would be. Well, let me explain to you what happened. I started out making smoked cherry crappie egg rolls. And then I was doing crappie fried rice with it, right? Well, my grandchildren came over. I have 3. 1 boy, 2 girls. And my granddaughter, my youngest granddaughter, started taking her first steps. The cooking video was over at that point. So if I would have just posted the cooking video, it wouldn't have looked right because you didn't really see the end. You'll see kind of the end, but you don't really see the egg rolls and everything. But I wasn't thinking about a cooking video at that point. So first 10 minutes is for cooking, give me an idea on recipes. The other 10 minutes for my real fam. Mom, you gonna like this one. Love you.
Off of that rice, right? Look at the steam on that rice. Safe to say that's today's rice. See that steam? Okay. Alright. This is for all the people who say you cannot make fried rice the same day with rice. See right there. This is for all the people who say you cannot make fried rice the same day with the same day rice. Y'all stupid. Yes, you can. Then you gotta get you a big old thing of these. You gotta have that. These are all the ingredients you're gonna need. Stir fry, broccoli slaw, onions, green onions, pastry rolls, some rice, sweet and sour, stir fry. Let's get it. First you gotta go ahead and get your broccoli slaw. Go ahead and knock that out on the grill. Get that a little crispy, cooked. Already. After you got done with that, then you come over, well, you still got a big old pot of fillets left. You get your 24 fillets. Yep, that's 24. So that ought to tell you how many is in there. I think it was, let's see, 59, 60, 120, 120 something. I can't count that high. Back to this. Let's get it ready. That's 24 fillets. Once you got them laid out, you get ready to put them on the grill. When you see that thing smoking, you know what time it is now. Let's get it. Not do this the wrong way. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Still got a little bit there. See that meat? getting a little opaque, that's when you're gonna know it's time to turn it. Now, you can't do it wrong. We'll show you what you're gonna do with it. We still gotta put these on. This is why you can't do it wrong. Fish gonna begin to shrink a little bit as it begins to cook. See how it's breaking apart? That's how you're gonna think you're doing it wrong, but you're not. Putting you some slabs. And you're gonna let this sit out there for about 2 minutes. Then the magic is about to happen. I'm gonna slide these jokers on down. Let the body heat keep you cooking. Ladies and gentlemen, without further delay, I'm going to introduce you to the star of the show. That's right, the star of the show. You see, that's a tool that you can put in your kitchen that gets you all around smoking stuff for hours. And that baby right there is that right there. That thing is throwing that cherry wood smoke right there all in that mixture. So all of that broccoli slaw has that cherry wood and crappie smoked together. Yes sir. That's what's going down right now. Cherry wood smoke. Crappie with broccoli slaw being added to the egg roll. Boy, I wish you could smell that. It smells like a hickory farm.
Well, I'll declare, down in the South, I swear there's a smell just like a hickory truck. I declare, would you look at there? Down in the South, it smells just like the food.
Then you're gonna end up with a bunch of broken down crappie like this. This is when I season everything, because you have to realize this is going into other dishes. At the end of the day, when I say I want crappie fried rice, I want to taste a bunch of crappie. When I say I want shrimp fried rice, I want to taste a bunch of shrimp. That's what you're going to end up with. Now you see this that you scrape off of the bottom? You hear how crispy that is? You see, I normally won't throw that away, but I got my grandkids coming over tonight. This right here at the bottom, oh my gosh. If you're going to mix that in with something that's fried, you're talking about give it a real good seasoning and fish flavor, that stuff is good. But I got my grandbabies coming over. I'm gonna make it natural. And you go ahead and throw your vegetables down. Be careful not to start seasoning stuff. You start seasoning now, you're not gonna be able to season for the final taste. You can always add more seasoning, but you can't take away. So I season at the end. Now comes the fun part. You take your broccoli slaw, you take your crappie, and you gotta marry them together. Do you, broccoli, take this crappie to be your lawfully wedded husband through thick and through thin, through frying and through oven, till death do y'all part?
I do. I declare I do. I loves me some crappie.
This is where the magic happens. Take some water, put it around the edges of your roll. Then you fold your roll. I will show y'all how to fold your roll, but then you wouldn't need me. Can't do nothing without the Holy Trinity, as my man say. Onion, celery, carrot. And at some point, you're gonna end up with a mountain of crappie fried rice so big that you gotta add another thing of medley vegetables to it. God almighty. That is a mountain full of fried rice. You gotta know how big that grill is to know how big that is. What's up, baby? Charlie know how to say mama. Well, she see mama. She see mama. Hey, 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 hey. Say hello, Zariah. Say hello. Go to Papa. Go to Papa. Go to Papa. You doing it. Go to Papa. Go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Come on. You clap for yourself, baby. You clap for yourself. Go to Papa. Go to Papa, baby. Go to Papa. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Get excited like Papa. Oh, yeah. 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 Come here, baby. Come here. Yeah. Scream it out, baby. Say we get down at Papa house. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good job, baby. Good job, baby. Good job. Oh, we good though. You did good. You did good. There you go. Roar. Get it out, baby. Let's go. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh. Oh, come on. 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 You're doing good. Come on. Come on. She holding that finger, boy. She holding that finger. I'm trying to get her to let it go. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Okay. There you go. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Charlie. You can do it. Come on. Come on, Charlie. Come on. Come on. Come to Papa. Come on to Papa. Come on to Papa. She's like, I am comfortable right now. Come on. Come here. Come over here. Come on over here to Papa. Come on over here to Papa. She walking, boy. She's like, I'm comfortable now. Very good. Look at her. She just, come on. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Oh, you're doing good.
That is amazing.
As long as she don't care that I don't have a haircut, I don't care what nobody thinks. Yeah. There you go. Tell her. What you want to tell her? 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 Say, I'm a cutie patootie. Say, I'm a cutie patootie. Say, I'm a cutie patootie.
That's similar.
I can't eat your finger. No. No.
Oh, nice.
She's scratching me. You trying to choke Papa? You trying to choke Papa? What you trying to put in my mouth? What you trying to put in my mouth? Huh? Cutie patootie? Oh, you feel that hair, huh? You feel that hair? She's like, I don't have no hair. Why you got hair, Papa?
Simon says, touch your nose.
Simon says touch your nose.
Do your head like that.
Nose right there.
You see Papa? You shaking your head like Papa. You shaking your head like Papa.
Yeah, you gotta say like that. You say Simon says.
You gonna beat old Papa up. You gonna beat the old man up. Just beating the old man up. Oh, just beat the old man up.
You lost if you don't do it. You lost.
So whenever you're playing Simon Says, you have to do what Simon says. If they do not say Simon Says,
Look at
You laughing at? Why do you like me biting you? Stop it. She's strong, man. Oh my God. That's a baby driving? Huh? Again? Again?
Hey, girl.
You trying to go what? Faster? You want me to tickle you faster? Don't you tinkle. Don't you tinkle. You got me tickling you. You want me to tickle you faster?
Hey, girl.
Oh my God.
What you doing? What you doing?
Okay, you win. You win. Okay, you win. You win. I'm outnumbered. Okay, okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Now I got all three of you guys. What is that? An A?
They're writing.
Too slow. Oh, you okay? Okay? I'm sorry. You got this knee. Wait, you okay? All right.